Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can remove a watermark on your AI or on Remini photos. Today in this video, I have a simple trick for you that you can be able to use to remove any watermark on your AI photos. Guys, as you can see, this is one of the pictures I will be showing you, and guys, here we have a watermark already showing. And not only the watermark, I will be showing you how you can also remove any logo from any AI photos on this video today. All what you need to do, you just have to watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to remove AI watermark on AI photos. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing today, here we have to open our browser. I will be recommending Google Chrome, but you can be able to use any browser apart from Opera Mini. So guys, here, when you open it like this, here you have to click on this search bar here. But guys, please, before I show you how to do this, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, this is the name of the website, and the name of the website is watermarkremover.io. I will be dropping the link on the description for easy access. So guys, here, this is the website. Remove watermarks from your images for free. So you can be able to do that for free on this website. And how do we do that? Guys, as you can see, it is a very simple website that you can be able to use without any special knowledge. So all what you just have to do in order to remove the watermark, here you just have to click on this upload. You have to make sure that you have already generated your AI or Remini photos. So here you click on upload photos. It won't be taking you directly to your gallery. So here I click on browse, so I can be able to locate the picture or the photo, the AI photo I want to remove the watermark. So guys, as you can see, here I have this picture, here I have this picture, so I will click on it. So you have to wait for just a few seconds in order for this to upload. And as you can see from here, it says processing image, please wait. So please, as this upload, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, we request you once again that you just hit on that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell. So guys, as you can see, this is the watermark here. This is the watermark, and guys, this here, the watermark is no more available. Watermark removed. Watermark removed. And guys, there is another way again. Here we have remove logo, we have remove text. All what you need to do, you just have to enable by clicking on this side. You just have to enable it. So guys, as you can see, let me download. In order to download, here we have a download icon. Just click on this download here. So you wait for it. So guys, as you can see, let's open it to see if the logo or the text has been removed. So guys, as you can see, the text has been removed successfully. The text has been removed. So guys, this is how you can be able to do that. This is how you can be able to try with another image by clicking on this icon. So if you just click on this icon, it will take you here. Then you click on upload image. Then quickly I will upload another one. So here you just have to wait for just, guys, as you can see, uploading image. So for just few seconds it's gonna get uploaded. So guys, as you can see, it has been done. So it has been done. So you can be able to click on remove text. Can be able to click on remove text. So guys, this is how you can be able to do that. Please, if you found this video to be helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you don't miss any video we upload on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye bye.